Right. So this is how to draw graphs of equations. So what it's so basically every point on this line will satisfy a particular equation. Now the vertical line, the vertical axis is y, the horizontal axis is x. Now you can see on this line that it doesn't matter what value x is, y is always 2. When x is minus 5, y is 2. When x is minus 4, y is 2. Y is 2 all the time. So the equation for this line here is just simply y equals 2. Okay? And if we look at this vertical line here, now it's the other way around. For it doesn't matter what value of y we have, x is always, always, always minus 2. It should really be going down here as well, to be honest with you. But basically, x is always, always, always minus 2. So for this one here, it's x is equal to minus 2. And let me just move that because it's not the diagonal line. I'll just move that down here, and maybe I'll rotate it as well. So that line there, D, is x equals minus 2. Now the C and the A are slightly more complicated. The C and the A, they follow a type of equation called y is equal to mx plus c. So what's m and c then? Well, m is just a number and c is a number. So now it's saying, so for example, we could have y is equal to 3x plus 5, or we could have y is equal to negative 2x minus 6. So in my second example, m is now equal to negative 2, and c is equal to negative 6. So there's a few interesting things that happen when we do these straight line graphs, yeah. So how do we do that then? Let's do that on this video now then. So if we look at C, we take any two coordinates. So we can take this one here. This coordinate is going to be, well, x is minus 4 and y is 0. And we can take this coordinate here. And we can say now x is 0, and y is 4. Now, if we know that the equation is y is equal to mx plus c, then, and now we know what, for one of the situations, this one here, what's y and what's x. So with the first one, we would say y is 0. This is for this first situation. And I'm doing I'm doing the C line. And so 0 is equal to m, whatever m is, times what x is. X is minus 4. So times minus 4. And then we're going to add whatever c is, okay? So we have to do a simultaneous equation, actually. I don't know how you are with simultaneous equations, but they can be quite tricky. This is not the only way of solving the problem. This is one way of solving it. And then we take the second one, which is the second coordinate, and we say now y is 4, so 4 is equal to m. 4 is equal to m times 0. M. When I do this screen recording software, Miro just doesn't like it. M times 0, which of course is just 0, plus c. So the question, so this type of simultaneous equation is actually fairly easy to solve because we can. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to stop that video there because this software is going to cap me at 5 minutes, and I'm just going to make the second video right afterwards. So let me get the next video started.